Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel techdev98. So today in this video, I'll show you how you can activate Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft Office 2019 for Windows for free. So first we'll just disable the antivirus because it may detect as false positive. So I'll just go to manage settings, real-time protection off. Now all we need to do is open Google Chrome, type MS Guides Office 2019, and here it says install and activate Office 2019 using the volume license. This is not a crack, it is official and you'll get all the updates. So all we need to do is copy this code, copy, and now I'll just press Windows R. I'll click on Notepad, I'll just paste it. Now we'll just file and you will click on save as. Under save as, we'll just go all files and here we'll type office 19.bat and we'll just click on save. Now we can just close this, and now your right click, run as administrator, and here it says supported products Microsoft Office Standard 2019 and Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019, and this is the latest version. And now it's just activating. First time it will say failed, but now it will say product activation successful. So now what I'll do is I'll just close it. I'll just go to Word and under account, boom, here we see product activated Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019, and here we can also update as this is a legitimate version. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.